How to schedule an event or meeting using Google Calendar. So, pwede nating direkta na i-click dun sa specific day. Pwede rin naman create an event. So, same lang siya. So, click more option para mas mapalaki natin yung templates and then add title. Anong nilalagay sa add title? Nilalagay dito kung ano yung specific agenda ng meeting. So, halimbawa is one-on-one coaching with Christine. And then yung date, let's say on Wednesday. So, yung specific time zone ni Christine, kailangan natin malaman para pag-send ng meeting or yung Google Calendar sa kanya ay nakaset dun sa specific time zone niya. So, halimbawa, si Christine ay from Philippines and then hanapin lang natin yung Philippine time. Here. And then, click OK. And then, tsaka tayo magsaset nung specific time kung kailan yung schedule ng meeting. Let's say 1:30 p.m. and the meeting is 1.5 hours, so 3 p.m. And then, notification, ito yung magno-notify kay Christine before the meeting or 30 minutes before the meeting. And then, you can add description or kung ano man yung meeting or anong kailangan na i-prepare ni Christine for the meeting. And then, click Save. So, kung mapapansin nyo, iba yung lumabas na time dun sa schedule ng meeting with Christine. Kasi ito yung time zone na ginagamit ko ngayon where I am in Italy. So, yung oras ng meeting namin kay Christine ay 1:30 p.m. Philippine time zone. Pero sa oras ko ay 7:30 a.m. So, pero marireceive ni Christine, yung meeting ay around 1:30 p.m. sa Philippines.